Hello dears, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. In this video I'm going to show you that how this designer.microsoft.com is going to work. So this is one of the coolest AI tool that we can create images, we can design, and also we can create our own logos. We can create our different kind of stories for Instagram, for LinkedIn, for Facebook, so different thing we can use this. So when you're going to open this designer.microsoft.com, so you have to sign in with your Microsoft account. So I'm already signed in, it's completely free for now. So if I click one of these, so I can generate image. As you can see, we have this image creator, design creator, generative eraser, and also if I scroll down, as you can see, we have this remove background with this AI tool, and also we have this brand kit creator, and also we have this album creator as well. So if I scroll down, these two, generative expand and also sticker creator, is going to be soon available. For now it's not available. As you can see, also I can see my recent projects that I use this tool. So if I scroll down, you can see this Instagram posts, Instagram stories, Facebook posts, Facebook ads, Facebook stories, and also as you can see we have this LinkedIn posts, LinkedIn stories, Pinterest. So this is the ready templates that we can use to design. So let me click at the generative image that we want to create or generate. So we're going to click here. So first we are going to generate an image, and then we are going to edit that, and I will show you how you can edit and how you can make your own brand kit design as well. So as you can see, it's show me explore prompts. So if I put my cursor, it's going to show me the prompts that here is generated. So let me create my own design. So we are going to create like new year 2024. So it's going to generate us here. Also is going to show you some tips. Try adding your favorite illustration or try a photo shot on this, and also it's going to show you like this prompt that you can use to generate images. This is really simple, guys. As you can see, this is now show me or created me this image. So if I click explore more examples, so I can see more examples. So if I click again, so it's going to create me more images. Let me tell you, this images that's created is powered by DALL-E 3. This is really too much simple. I think I don't like this one at all, so I'm going to click generate again. So create me something more cool. I think this one is look good. So we're going to click at this image. As you can see, this download is going to show up this copy, and also I can create my own design. So now I want to edit this image. So simply I'm going to edit at this Microsoft new tab is going to open, and I can edit this image. And let me show you some more features and options which is going to be available with the editing tool of this AI tool here. So as you can see, we have this templates, we have this my media, visuals, text, brand kit. So basically for templates, we can scroll down. As you can see, we have bunch of different templates available with this tool. If I click on my media, so it's going to show me that I can add picture from my own PC, from my phone, from Google Drive, from Dropbox, and also from Google Photos. And the visuals, when we are going to click, as you can see, it's going to show us all these recently used. It's going to show us the shapes and graphics. So if I scroll down, it's going to show me videos and all others illustration as well. So I can click on the generate, So here is going to show me generate an image using a description, and also if I click on the photos, it's going to show me all the photos which is available. If I click on the graphics, it's going to show me all these shapes that we can design our own shape. And if I click on the videos, so this video is going to show me, this tab is going to show me all the videos that's available inside this library here, so I can search it. For now there is no command to generate videos, only you can generate images. So if I click on the graphics, as you can see, we can add these graphics. So I can click on the illustrations. So as you can see, we can add any kind of illustration like these trees. And if I scroll down, as you can see, we have this heart illustration. And also let me scroll down. As you can see, this one is really looking cool, as I can use this for my logo stuff. So I'm going to bring this over here. So when you're going to add it, or just simply going to click here, so in this blank page is going to show up here. So we can scale these images, this illustration or image, we can position this, we can set this to background, or we can change opacity. So when you're going to select your image, is going to show up this toolbar over here. So when you're going to click at the background, so simply you click on the background, and you're going to change the background something like this. So you can change color from here easily. So we are going to click at this visuals again. As you can see, we have many more available. Like if you want to click on icons, it's going to show you more icons that's available you can use for your design. As you can see, we have more. If I click on the see more, so it's going to show me more icons that's available with this tool. So simply if I click on the text, so I can choose one of the fonts that's available here that we can add for this logo. So if I want to add this one, so simply I'm going to click at this text, and I'm going to bring it just right over here. So I'm going to double click, and we are going to type our business name. So we are going to type the business name here. As you can see, we can fix the size of the text. Also we can increase the size. We can select a different fonts that's available here, so if you want to change that, so simply you can use these for your own purposes. So you can design your brand right over here. As you can see, this fonts available. So if I select this one, so this is going to apply to my text. So also let me show you with brand kit what we can do. For brand kit, as you can see, we have this get start and also for suggested styles. So we don't want to use this suggested style, we want to create our own. So we are going to click get create. But before using this, let me show you when you're going to use or select any of your image, and the idea is going to show you all the ideas that's going to be available, and you can use them for your works, for your design. So if I click on the new idea, so new idea is going to allow me that I can generate a new idea, and also is going to suggest me some prompt here. So if I click like make a new year 2024, so if I click generate, so it's going to generate me, and also is going to suggest me here, and I can add my media directly from here as well. As you can see, it's going to generate the design, and also is going to show up here the prompt that's going to give you this prompt for a tab that you can use it to generate your image. So simply this is the same thing that we create image here. Also this interface is going to show up for the editing section that we can generate our image. I think it's taking too much time, so now we are going to click at this brand kit, so I can show you how we can create our own brand kit with this. So if you click on the brand kit, so simply this is going to show up here, like you can get a start, and also you can click on the suggested style. So we want to create our own, we are going to click generate. So now we are going to type our business name. So I'm going to type my own name, Firdaus Sahel, and I'm going to tell what my brand does do. I am a YouTuber. So we're going to click generate. So it's going to pick up the the best colors, and also it's going to find me a logo for Firdaus Sahel. It's going to generate me a complete brand kit with this AI. So we are going to wait until this is going to generate us the whole brand kits. So as you can see, now it generated us this Firdaus. Let me go to next one. As you can see, this is my second brand kit, and this is my third one. I think this one really cool, so we are going to use this one. As you can see, the first one was also good, not bad. We can use this one, but personally I love this kind of brand. So this is the simple, so we're going to use this F, and as you can see, we can click on download, or we can save brand, or I can upload your own logo. As you can see, we have this voice your brand voices, fun, energetic, speak your audiences, play always fonts. As you can see, it's selected, and you can change it. And if I click on the color, so simply we can change the color as well. So now if I click on the download, so simply I can download the logo, I can download the brand card, and also I can download this full brand kit as well. So if I click save brand, so this is going to save me this brand kit. So this is how we are going to use it. So now we need to click use brand in designer. So we are going to use this brand kit in our designer. So we want to add some design to it, so that's why we are going to add it. So as you can see, this is added to my design. Let me remove this. So now this brand kit with this color is going to show up. So simply I can delete this. So also is going to show me some more ideas for this brand that we create. So this brand kit is created for F, so also is going to show me some more ideas that we can scroll down, and we can use them with this Microsoft Designer AI tool. So hope this video is really help you in creating your AI designs. And also let me show you one more thing, which simply when we are going to click on downloads, so how you are going to download these designs that you are going to make it over here. So we are going to use this logo, so we are going to put it on the center. Let me resize this. So we are going to fix it according to the page. So now I'm going to click download. As you can see, for downloads it's going to show me that PNG we can download, which is recommended for this logo, and also we have this JPG, and also we have this PDF as well. And also it's going to show me copy as image. You can send it to your phone, and also you can use AI for caption like Instagram, Facebook. If I try it to use it, so simply I'm going to click download. So this is going to download inside my PC. So we are going to not subscribe for now. As you can see, we have this generative and also remove background, and also we have this blur background, which we can use it for our own photo that you want to remove that. So hope this really helped you guys. So if you think this video is really helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to stay tuned about our future videos, hit the bell icon as well. So see you guys until next video.